YouTube crib.
Hi. Come on in. Make sure you take your shoes off. Okay, we'll start right here. This is my cat closet. It has all their stuff, and then you know the litter, and then their stroller and stuff like that. This is the shoe area. Take off your shoes, you know, yeah. This is the living room. My Christmas tree finally has decorations. If you didn't see the fail, make sure you go see that. This is a couch. Then I look so good on it, yeah. Everything in here was given, or I already had it. Like, I didn't have to pay for anything. We did not have to pay for anything, like, at all. Oh no. Okay. And then this is the balcony. I made the tarp thing, made a cover, you know, for the balcony. Okay. This is my YouTube area where all the magic happens. This is where I create. It's Christmas themed, of course. If you didn't see that video, you know, make sure you tune into that. And yes, this is, oh, there's Casey. Okay. Yes. And this is just like a little, like, I guess, turn up station. I have my Echo. I have, oh, she's talking to us. I have this, it smells really good. This is Sarah. My friend passed in 2018, so that's like her little memorial thing. And then this is the dining room. This is where I eat and where my babies eat. This is the kitchen. Oh, there's Simba. Say hi, baby boy. He's coming. You coming to the camera, Daddy? Say hi. Oh, he's being friendly. This is the kitchen. The gate is, of course, for the cats. This is where I chef it up. And look, surprise! A second door. Gotta turn lights off. Okay. This is the bathroom. I'm a plant mom, of course. Yes. Okay, they're fake, but still. And then here is where I shower and go potty. That's the closet. We're not going in there. Yeah, and this is another closet. We're not going in there either. And this is where the magic happens.
I like you, man. You lie a lot.
Okay, not really, but yeah. This is my bed. It's queen size, fit for a queen. This is my photo station. If you haven't seen the video on how I did this, make sure you tune in. It's one of my Vlogmases. This is, woo, my full length mirror. Y'all, my hair. Oh, mind you. And then that's another door to the closet that we're not opening. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Not really much. Oh, you see the cats again. That's Simba. That's Casey under the tree. They like to be under things. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for coming. Don't be shy. When I get my house, hey, that will be a real one. Thank you.